Are you confused about your current channel name, or you came up with a better name for your YouTube channel and you want to change it now? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you step by step how you can do that. Hi, welcome to my channel Sihara Tech. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. Before I jump into explaining the process, if you're still confused about what to name your YouTube channel, do check out my another video in which I have discussed important points you should consider before you select your own channel name. So do check out the link in the description. Now the first step is to identify which type of channel you have created. And there are two types of channel you can create on YouTube. The first one is personal account or personal channel, and the second type is brand account or brand channel. If you create a personal channel, you can manage it yourself. And if you want someone else to manage it in future, which is most likely once your channel is getting more attention, then you have to share the credentials with someone, which is not good as all the services like email, calendar, photos, contacts, services related to your Gmail account will be exposed as well. Now, if you create a brand channel, which gives you more flexibility to your YouTube account, you don't need to share your Gmail credentials with people. You can add managers on various levels to your channel so they can do the work for you. Like some are responsible for managing the content, where others are responsible for comments. Also, you are not stuck with the first and last name in order to show a different name for your channel. If you want to know the process for creating these type of channels, then please check the video description as I've shared the link as well. Now you might be thinking, what is my channel type? Is it a brand or is it a personal channel? The answer is simple. Just go to www.youtube.com/account, and on the right hand side, if you can see channel managers option, then it is a business channel or business account. Otherwise, if you don't see this option, then it is a personal channel or personal account. How can you change your channel name for both types of accounts? Go to youtube.com homepage. Click on the right top corner where your profile picture is shown. From this menu, click on Your Channel option. This is your channel management page. From here, click on Customize Channel. From this channel customization page, click on the Basic Info. Here you can easily change your channel name. Once you are done, don't forget to hit the Publish button so the changes are live as well. For a note, if you have changed your existing channel name, wait for 24 to 48 hours so it can be updated and indexed by YouTube. Now the question is, can I switch from my personal account to a brand account and all the content data will be moved automatically or not? The answer is yes, with few exceptions. If you already have a custom URL for your channel, then you lose it. Let me explain what custom URL is. Basically, this is your channel URL which people can call directly, like youtube.com/yourchannelname. And if you recently started your channel, you can claim it if your channel is at least 30 days old, you have 100 or more subscribers, you have an uploaded photo as channel icon, and you have uploaded channel art as well. As I said earlier, if you are switching from your personal channel to a brand channel and you already have a custom URL for it, then you lose it. Now what you have to do once you create your brand channel is contact YouTube support so that they can release your custom URL from your existing channel and then assign it against your new channel, which normally takes 30 days or sometimes less than that. The second thing is, you might lose your own comments you have added on your channel for all the replies and thumbs up. You will lose your search and watch history as well. Apart from these which I've mentioned, everything else will be transferred automatically. So I recommend everyone that you should switch to business channel as soon as possible so you don't lose this information. Now how can you switch from personal to business account? First, you need to create a brand channel or brand account. Go to youtube.com homepage. Click on the right top corner where your profile picture is shown. From this menu, click on Settings. And from this page, click on Add or Manage your channel. This is where you can see all the channels you have created. As you can see, I have my private channel as well, which I will move to a new brand channel. Now we're gonna go up here to create a channel. Okay, this is where you can name your brand channel. Like I'm naming it Adil Elias Tech Channel. And click create. Brand channel with the name Adil Elias Tech Channel is created. Now select the channel you want to move. In my case, I will select my personal channel, which I want to move to this newly created channel by clicking on profile picture from this menu, switch accounts, and then I'm going to select my personal channel. As I've selected my personal channel, I have to go to its settings first. Again, click on the profile picture and select settings. Now, I am on my personal channel setting page. Click on view advanced setting from the left. Now down towards at the bottom here, you can see move channel to a brand account, which will indicate YouTube that I want this personal channel to move to another channel I have created. You may need to confirm your Gmail ID and password. Now you need to select which channel you want your private channel to be replaced. I'm going to select Adil Elias Tech Channel and click replace. Now YouTube is prompting me that if I move my channel to this channel, the currently connected channel will be deleted, meaning your private channel will be deleted and all your data will be moved to this new channel. Also, you have to confirm that you do understand and wish to proceed. Click on delete channel. Now YouTube is showing my private channel which will be replaced with my newly created brand channel. Click on move channel and that's it. You're all done with the process. Now it may take up to 10 minutes and all your channel icon, description, banner, everything will be moved to your brand channel. Just to summarize, first step, we identified the channel type and the pros and cons of each type in a nutshell. In the second step, we covered how we can change the channel name for both types. And in the final step, we covered the switching process from personal to brand account with few exceptions. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. That's it for now. See you next time.